is how you install a water table around a window or on top of things. But right now it's a window. You will need a bracket. I made this myself. You can buy them at your local hardware store. You have to cut them in to size to fit. Okay? And this is how it goes. And here's your bracket with your wire. Alright? It's in there. Here's how I would install it. Gotta make sure it's in there. The only way to make sure is to cut it out, and then you'll see. And do it again. A little on your bracket, okay? And then alright, the idea is to have enough so it smashes out. Alright? Gotta wiggle it. Okay, make sure we level. Alright. Make sure you can twist your wire. Hold it in place and make sure you're going here. Okay. Now, in my next video, I'll explain everything about everything and what I use and how I do it. Okay? And make sure that you please subscribe, leave a comment, and please rate this one. That would be really cool. And thank you.